Oh, welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is OPPO Ace2, and in this video I am going to show you top tricks on this device. Alright, so the first trick that I'm going to show you is app lock, and what I mean by that is, for example, when you have your music playing in the background and you want to just clear all tabs in the background, but you want to keep music, you can just click right here and unlock. And now when we want to close all of them, as you can see, YouTube Music is still there, playing music in the background. So other trick that I am going to show you is right here in the special features, and it is smart sidebar. So you can turn it on by clicking on this button right here, and now as you can see, when we swipe from here, right here we have this smart sidebar from where we can take a screenshot, start screen recording, we can screen translate, or just open files, messages, photos, calculator or Google Phone, and we can just turn it on, as I said. Also in the special features we have something like quick launch, and to enable quick launch we have to add our fingerprint, so I'm going to add it quickly. So right here we have to place our finger on the sensor a couple times. As you can see, it's almost done. Now we have to scan the edges of our finger, and it's done. So now, as you can see, touch and hold the fingerprint sensor until icons appear without lifting your finger. Slide it to an icon and then release to touch the corresponding function or app. So like this, we have to just turn our device by finger, and when we just swipe to the top, we have here apps that we can quick launch, and we can edit this menu. We can add here functions, for example from calendar, camera, Chrome, clock, and many more, or we can just add apps. Also in the gestures and motions we have here screen of gestures. For example, when we draw this figure, we can launch calculator. Oh, sorry, I didn't turn it on. So now look. And it's our calculator. We can also just make it open up whatever we want to. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!